They're still, we haven't killed them yet. They're still tagging along, which is awesome. It looks like Hogwarts, but it's Banff.
Hogwarts.
Where's Hermione? Where's Harry? Where's Ron? Where's Malfoy?
Right there, midway through.
They're heading off. We're gonna keep going because they're getting tired, and we're gonna keep going, honey.
On an adventure.
To the falls. We're already technically here. You got really close in that camera there.
Is that bad?
Not at all. Look at these rapids. So we're heading towards Bow Falls, right, honey? And there's rapids along the way. And they go there. So I'm assuming that's where the rapids are heading. I'm coming in for a picture. So in order to see the falls, we need to climb up stairs. And so that's what we're doing. Right, honey? Wave. Look at that. So we made it to the Bow River Falls. Look at that. They're so pretty. It's not even just that. It's look at around us.
He's going around the corner.
Look at how cool this is. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. So here we go. We're walking across the bridge now. Wow. This is beautiful.
We're gonna walk that road in the mountains next.
Wow.
Eh?
He was beautiful
walk that road in the mountain.
Look at this. Oh, there's a guy fishing. How cool is that? There's a guy fishing. Look at that. Wow. The other bridge. Yeah. This is breathtaking, everybody. Isn't this gorgeous? Absolutely stunning. It's surreal. It doesn't feel real. I'm gonna scoop by. People are trying to get a picture. Right there. Hi. People are actually swimming. That's so wicked. Watch. Look at the color of the water and the sky. It's just don't see this every day. Oh, he laid down. You keep, huh? Isn't that cool? Look how pretty this is. Are you having fun?
Right now, I'm hungry and I want to drink something. And
So say bye, honey.
Bye, honey.
Bye. Say everybody bye. Oh, Lynn, no one got to see you. Hi. She's a trooper. So is this one.
sometimes.
Yeah. She's a little bit more miserable sometimes, though. But it's expected. But I love her.